Hello guys, this time I am going to tell you that how you can tackle your low bandwidth problems or network problem. So let's get started. Over here I have a Google Meet and I have connected my own 3 devices over here so I can tell you. So let's assume that someone else over there can't hear your voice. So this problem basically occurs because of your low upload speed. When you have a low upload speed and you turn on your camera, so the system have to upload both your video also and your audio also. So what we can do if you want a bit more audio clarity is reduce the quality of video being uploaded from your system. So you can do this by clicking on more option over here on the lower right corner and then go into settings, then go into video, and here you can see it's written send resolution maximum and it's high definition 720p. So you can just bring it down like 360p and click on done. So the video quality that was your system uploading and now it is uploading is half the data. If you compare on the databases, it's now half. So this will bring audio clarity, but then also if you have a very severe upload problems and you have a very low network, what you can do is just turn off your camera. So no video, only audio will be uploaded and it will bring more clarity. And next thing is that if you can't hear someone else's voice, like someone is saying over there, you know that someone is saying, but you can't hear it, it's type of cracking and other things. So what you can do is reduce your downloads, because this problem is basically because of downloads. Someone else is uploading their video and audio both from there and you have to download both, but then because of much data you can't download audio clearly. So what you can do is that reduce the data being downloaded, and basically we want to focus on audio. So just go in more options, settings, video, and receive resolution. Like over here, like it's written receive resolution maximum 720p high definition. So reduce it to 360p if you have only a bit problem. So now it will download half quality of data, like earlier it was 2, now it will be 1. So that's okay. But then also if you can't hear properly and you have a presentation going on, like there's a presentation and I have to see this, so just take it to standard definition, one video at a time. So only one video will be downloaded and that too at 360p. So, and if you want that particular video, like Google sometimes keep changing, like this video will be downloaded now, this and this will show, so just pin video, so you will be able to see that. And but now you don't have a presentation and you can't hear someone else's voice, it's seriously getting worse. So just what you have to do is take audio only. It will not download any video and it will download only audio and it will increase your clarity. So next thing I am going to show you is how to use grid view on Google Meet. So over here we have a meeting, and if say like over here we have only 3 people, so but what you want to do is look at everyone. So you can try grid view and this will be available at the Chrome web store. So just open a new tab. So what you have to do is go to Chrome web store, and now over here when you come to the Chrome web store, just go to extensions and search Meet Grid View. And over here you can see Google Meet Grid View. You have various things, but I would prefer the first, as it would be good I think because it's on the first. Add to Chrome, and now it would ask you that should it add, because over here it is written that it can read and change your data on googlemeet.com. So okay, no problem. and now it will first download and it will automatically get added to your Chrome Web Store and Google Meet. And now switch over to Meet, and you won't see that option right now. So when a meet is going on and you add the grid view at the same time, so what you have to do is refresh the meet. You will leave the meeting and join it again. So now you have joined the meeting, and now you will be able to use the grid view. So click on here, enable grid view, and now it's showing only 2 people. And if you want your video also to be included in that, so include yourself in the grid. And this is how the grid view works. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you like the video, and please share, like and subscribe.